we go. Not bad, not up. We're still getting there.
Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, it's just gonna be a week in my life. So I'm up this morning. I have my outfit on that I picked out last night. So luckily I didn't change this morning. I have been picking out clothes for work and then changing at the last minute because I just don't like it. So I am making me a toasted strudel real quick. I'm gonna put those in a container and then we're gonna head out and I have to get ready to go to work, and it just popped. All right, we gotta go. It just looks like it wants to be a gloomy Tuesday. It's 8 o'clock, I'm at the bus stop with Cam, trying to put him on the bus. There has been like, I'm having to bring him all the way from work, which is like 3-4 minutes, you know, like of a driving distance or whatever. But I'm having to bring him all the way from like work to home, and in order to put him on this bus. So he's up here, right there. But still, I need him to get on somewhere closer towards work because I'm coming literally all the way back over here and I'm using up gas. Like, you know, I like to go right around the corner. So hopefully that'll get fixed soon. Fix me a milk tea when I get back inside to work. Let me just tell y'all, Trader Joe's is the place to go. Hey y'all, so it is about 4 o'clock. I got home roughly about 45 minutes ago, and as y'all can tell, I came home. I probably got grass all in my hair. I came home and went ahead and cut grass. My hair is just like, it's time to wash it. But anyways, y'all, whatever. I came home, I cut grass. All right, so I still got the lawnmower out there, but I'll put it away in a minute. But I did go ahead and cut the grass. Y'all know I got neighbor issues where I cut the grass last time and her car was here and she left me the dumbest letter ever and didn't even know how to spell respect. Yeah, I'll let y'all think on that one. But anyways, I went ahead and cut it. And while I was cutting it, I had stopped it quite a few times just to like make sure Cam wasn't getting off the bus. But I did receive something in the mail that I signed up for to get free samples of before vacation. All right, so here it is right here. Basically what is in here is a sample, and here it is. So this is the Carol's Daughters Born to Repair. This one is the shampoo and the conditioner. Now what it does is it's safe for color treated hair. It's 10 times more moisturized, helps fight 1 year of visible damage in one use. So I definitely can't wait to try that. And then of course see if I want to get like any of the other products. So thank you so much to Carol's Daughter for sending this free trial package to me. I found it on Instagram and signed up, and it finally came in. So the other day in the previous video, I went to Trader Joe's over the weekend and ended up finding a really great kit right here. All right, so I found this instant Boba kit. It is brown sugar tapioca pearl drink mix. It's vegan and gluten-free. There is 4 pouches, 4 straws. It's ready in less than a minute, and you just keep these frozen. So place this in a cup and just cut like the tip of this, and we're gonna heat it up for 45 seconds. Put it in here, and we're gonna heat this up for 45 seconds in the microwave. So yeah, if y'all get the chance to go to Trader Joe's, see if yours has it. I know that it is less than $8. I swear it might have been like $6 or $7. 8 max. So here it is, it's ready. So it's just gonna come out looking like this. We're gonna get ready to pour this in a different cup over ice. So I am using my Starbucks cup that I got for $2 at Starbucks the day I got my free drink. So let me get some. All right, I'm using 3 cubes. Now, like I said, this is gonna be hot, but the best thing about it is that you can easily transfer it just like this boba balls go to the bottom. You can let all the juice drain if you choose to. The only thing that you're gonna need is milk. Like I told you guys, it comes with a plastic straw that I can put on the inside to stir. And like I said, we just need to add milk. Y'all, tell no lie, if I could go back and get another box, or if I would have bought 2 of them or 3 of them at one time, I would have. Now I know. I'm telling you, that brown sugar, whew, that's honestly like my favorite flavor. Milk tea, brown sugar. And if they don't have brown sugar, as long as you got almond, I'm good with that. So I think that we're gonna have just leftover butter noodles, and I'll probably just make a pizza for tonight because I don't feel like doing too much. I'm gonna get ready to sit down and try and get a little bit of schoolwork done, and then of course try to at least edit 1 video. Hey y'all, it is Wednesday, 6:30, got up at 5:50. Now I gotta fix me my lunch and then just put lotion on my feet, put my sandals on, call it a day. But real quick, I got these 3 candles, Days End, Orchard Apple, and then the Oak Wood and Cotton. I wanna use the rest of this, at least like for a wax melt. So what I'm gonna do is open these candles up, and then I'm gonna pour boiling hot water in them, and then it will rise to the top, and I'll, yeah, fool with it later once it does rise to the top and I get home. All right, so the water is done boiling. I'm just gonna show you guys really quick what you gotta do. You're easily going to pour the hot water into the candle just like that. And I'm gonna show you guys again for this one. A little bit goes a long way, I'll tell you that. So trying to divide it up the best that I can. There we go. I'll put a little more in this one. All right, so I'm gonna let this sit because it is boiling hot water, and it is 6:45, and I need to be at work by 7. Well, I leave out of here by 7:05, 7:10, so I'm not even gonna fool with it. I am actually gonna sit down and eat my toaster strudel as I have 15 minutes to spare, and drink my coffee.
I don't want to live at...
When I am ready with my book, I come over here. There will be an adult over here to help you. First, Genesis, do you remember which do I do?
Okay, so now I'm off. It's like 2:52. If we get here at 7:15, we can clock out at 2:45. So that's the best part about that, is that we could leave, you know, like a little bit early. So I haven't been getting here at 7:15, but today I just clocked out like as if I did. Cam has a doctor's appointment, and it's just like every year when I take him, they change up who they work with. So basically, we have a new guy today who will be just checking in on Cam and just like, you know, talking with me to see how the school year and stuff is off to. So that's good. School year is off to a good start for him, knock on wood, and I ain't got none around me. Hopefully, you know, this year is much better. Cam chose to do art and orchestra for school this year. So I'm sure I'll be going to an orchestra event. But anyways, I'm gonna go pick him up and then we'll head over and then get ready to go back home for the evening. All right, we're here. Just About to check in first, get some sanitizer, and yo, it is hot outside today. I'm ready to go. All right, so we're on our way to Zaxby's. All right, so me and the kids are done. That was a successful doctor's appointment, the most successful one that I've ever had since I've taken Cam there. We're gonna go to Zaxby's to get dinner, and then I have a pickup order for some boba milk tea at 5:45. It is now 5:04, and hopefully it doesn't take me long at Zaxby's to get the food. That's why I put it in for 5:45, because it is like a little bit of traffic. Funnel cakes be hard. So Cam's been doing really good in school. So I was nice enough to tell him that I would bring him to Kung Fu Tea and let him get a milk tea. He likes to get the Oreo Wow. Even though, you know, I have the milk tea kit at home, and I could have easily made it at home. I just decided to treat him out to something, you know, because I can't make the Oreo Wow at home. Other than that, I'm gonna go home. I got my food. Zaxby's is the place to go. Okay, y'all, so I'm finally done eating, but guess what happened? Y'all, it did exactly what I needed it to do, partially. Well, this one did. So, just gotta take both of these out, and I can use them in my wax melt jar. I don't know what the deal is with this one. I might have to cut it open to get it to come out of here. Honestly been just like a chill afternoon. Not wanting to do nothing, much of nothing. I literally like got dinner while I was out. Didn't do any homework today. Didn't have to clean anything. And I just spent my evening like researching class books to do with my kids this year. And fall recipes. See y'all. Hey y'all, hey, it is Thursday, and I am off and at home. It's almost 4:30. Y'all know Thursday, my cleaning day. That's what I'm about to do. Go ahead and hit the toilet, sink, vacuum, and kind of like get everything together and ready. I do have couple things I want to do this afternoon. So I did buy lunch at Jimmy John's, but I also got it for dinner too. When I seen them making our sandwiches, they were the little John sandwiches, which are like really teeny. So I knew that wasn't gonna hold either adult. So I redid mine and ate my big one for lunch, and I eat my small one for dinner. And then the kids have a small one. Charles has a big one and a small one. He can take the other one to work tomorrow. But anyways, I need to get my house in order, finish up my meal plan for 2 weeks. And I also need to kind of like put some things away and get laundry started so that I can come home and just fold it tomorrow, put it away, lay back and chill, have a relaxed 3-day weekend.
이발거주하러 일러 바치는 거야. 너 제가 죽으라면 죽는 신용이라도 할 거야? 좀 주체적으로 살아봐. 아 인생을 말이야.